Hi, my name is Paul Harris. I am the current president for the Falcon Disc Golf Club team here at Bowling Green State University. We are a competitive club sports team at BG. We compete with other universities and colleges in our area. We even earned a berth to the national championships for college disc golf last year. So whether you are a competitive player interested in that side, or we are also very open and happy to introduce new people to the game. So if you've never played before and you want to give it a shot, feel free to reach out to us, and we'd love to show you around the course at Carter Park.